Want to change your Roblox privacy settings? Roblox lets you control who can contact you, message you, invite you to private servers, and join your experiences. In this guide, I'll show you how to adjust your Roblox privacy settings step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Roblox account using your username or verified email address and password. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Roblox homepage. Next, click the Settings icon in the upper corner of the screen and select Settings from the menu. This page contains all of your account preferences and security options. Now select the Privacy tab. Here you can manage who can message you, who can invite you to private servers, who can join your experiences, and other communication preferences. The available options may vary depending on your account type and age. Choose the privacy settings that work best for you. Depending on the option, you may be able to allow everyone, limit access to friends, or use more restrictive settings where available. Your changes are usually saved automatically after you make them. Finally, visit the security section to review additional protections such as two-step verification and account recovery options. Combining strong security with the right privacy settings helps keep your Roblox account safer, and that's how to change your Roblox privacy settings. By adjusting these options, you can decide who can interact with your account and enjoy a more personalized and secure Roblox experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.